Welcome to Auto Show. In this guide, I will show you how to use Apple Pay on your PS5 to buy games.
Step 1. Turn on your PS5 and go to Settings. Step 2. Scroll down and select Users and Accounts. Step 3. Choose Account, Payment, and Subscriptions. Step 4. Select Payment Methods. Step 5. Choose Add a Payment Method. Step 6. Select Apple Pay from the available options. Step 7. A QR code will appear on your screen. Step 8. Use your iPhone to scan the QR code. Step 9. Approve the request using Face ID or Touch ID on your iPhone. Step 10. After verification, Apple Pay will be added to your PS5. Step 11. Go to the PlayStation Store. Step 12. Pick the game or item you want to buy. Step 13. At checkout, select Apple Pay as the payment method. Step 14. Confirm the purchase using your iPhone.